The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. 5 terrorists are threatening to detonate a massive nuclear device inside City Hall. While authorities have not confirmed the presence of this weapon, they are encouraging all nearby residents to take precautionary actions. All buildings within a 1/2-mile radius have been evacuated, and no one is being allowed in the area for any reason. All residents of Essex, Norfolk, Middlesex, and Suffolk counties are required to seek out fallout shelters immediately. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure will result in certain death. Any individuals within the radius of this broadcast are encouraged to locate fallout shelters also. If detonation occurs, it will only take a minute for the effects to reach nearby areas. Make sure you have a battery-powered radio for your stay in the fallout shelter. Tune to 770 AM for information inside your shelter.